I'm making pancakes today. Eggs. I have pork, warm milk, and flour, and blue bland, and what? Sugar and soy.
Salt.
Let's do it.
Okay.
I put how many? That's little. One spoon.
Let me help you.
Second. More.
Yes.
This is enough. I put only 2. I have 1 cup of flour. Enough.
All of it.
All.
Then we add a half. We take a half.
I have. More. I like pancake, pancake. I cook them every day. I like to do it, but I can't do it every day. I like to do it one time, so I like to do it one time, and chapati is not the best. Pancake, I eat it. I do something fast to do it. I eat, yum, yum. And I like to do.
Okay.
I like chapati, no pancake. I used to cook. I don't eat egg. I have 1 egg missing. Then I can break it in here. Then I make. Yummy. That.
Slowly.
Okay. Wow, yeah, inside. Like them. Open. Orange. Come in. Color orange. Orange. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Look. 1, 2, 3, 4. Wow. 3. 2. Say cheese. Pancake, I want to eat. Yum, yum. A pancake is ready.